Hello, welcome to your assembly video for your dining room table from House of Cardboard. First of all, we'll start unpacking with all the parts to put together your table. And as per usual, the part you need first is at the bottom. So we'll start with this piece on the top, folds in half. You're going to use that last. So we'll put that out the back here. Got another part in the middle here that looks like a butterfly. That's just a packing piece. You can get rid of that in your garden, compost bin, or straight into your recycling bin. We have your legs for the table. You have two of them. They look like this. You put those to the side for now. We have our 5 truss pieces. These will go inside the tabletop. And we have our table top. So we'll pull this one out, get rid of the box. Here you can see the dining room table already assembled. We're just going to use it to assemble this one. So to start with the top, you'll see it opens up. It's got a few folding parts to it, but at the moment we just want the inside so we can put the truss pieces that will support the centre of the table. So you've got 2 of them that have these rounded parts here. They go on the outsides, and the 3 that are just square like this, they go on 3 in the middle. So what you do, start on one side, just insert them in. I'll just fold this back out like that. Then again, the one with the rounded part on the outside. So you fold that up, grab the bottom of the table, sort of bring it over like that, fold them around, give them a little bit of a straighten up, and then bring the other side over. And you'll see the slots, you can just flip that over and just guide those into their position. And you'll see it'll fall into place as you guide them. There we go. So that's the tabletop done. We'll now assemble the base frame with the legs. So when you grab one of the legs, you'll see that one side is a nice flush finish on it, and the other side has a join through it. Just keep this join to the inside of the table, that way you get the nicer finish on the outside. So join on the inside, just slides into place, and again the join going on the inside. Also, these tabs that stick through the tabletop, they stay on the outside of the leg. So our last piece, which is the first one that came out of the box, is this folding one here. So it just literally folds in half and slides in the top. Have House of Cardboard's dining room table. Thank you.